In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a website in the Hostinger website builder quickly and efficiently. Whether you've decided to take your site offline temporarily, make adjustments, or you're shutting it down permanently, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open up a web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to the Hostinger H panel, which is the central hub for managing all of your hosting services and websites. This interface is user-friendly and is designed to make web management as straightforward as possible. Now, once you're inside the H panel, look for the section labeled Websites in the menu. This is where all the websites associated with your account will be listed. Click on Websites to proceed. Doing so will display a list view of all the websites you currently have set up. Each of these sites has specific management options that you can access. Next, find the website you want to unpublish. Beside the website name, you'll notice a series of dots or a settings icon, typically represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. This is a common UI design choice, allowing you to access additional settings efficiently without cluttering the main screen. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. In there, you should see an option labeled Delete or something similar. Now, it's important to note that this step essentially unpublishes your site. Clicking Delete will remove your site from being live on the internet, but it doesn't permanently erase all your hard work unless you specifically choose to delete the data. Make sure you've backed up any content or information you might want to keep or restore later before you proceed with this step. Once you've clicked on Delete, follow any additional confirmation prompts to execute the unpublishing process securely. This usually asks you to confirm the action to prevent accidental unpublishing. Finally, if at any point you decide to publish a new site or relaunch the same one, you can easily do so by going back to the Websites section. From there, click on the Add Website option. This will guide you through setting up a new site with Hostinger, whether you're looking to build from scratch or restore a previous build. And that's how you unpublish your website using Hostinger's website builder. It's a straightforward process designed to give you control over your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.